Okay, welcome to Call of Duty 37. Now I will explain to you about how to use your span finger as a metering measurement. Okay, the first rule, you should know how many centimeter your span. For example, I will measuring my span first like this, and look at that. This one and this one, yeah. And look at that. And we should measuring this one how many centimeter. And look at that. Look at that. Okay, 23 centimeter or 9 inch. Yeah. So if I use this my span, this is should be 23 centimeter, 23 centimeter, 23 centimeter, 23 centimeter, and you can use your span finger as measurement method. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.